Thank you very much, Madam. Honorable Minister for MSME and Export Promotion from Uttar Pradesh, Chaudhry Udayban Singh Ji. Honorable Minister for MSME, Science and Technology and IT from Madhya Pradesh, Shri Om Prakash Sanklecha Ji. Honorable Deputy Speaker of the Uttar Pradesh Legislative Assembly, Shri Nitin Agarwal Ji. My colleague, Shri L.C. Goyal, Chairman and Managing Director of ITPO, Mr. Vibhu Nair, Executive Director of ITPO, other colleagues from our partner state and our focus states, Bihar, Jharkhand and Uttar Pradesh. Her Excellency Ms. Hayat Talbi, the Ambassador of Tunisia, all the other distinguished ladies and gentlemen who are present with us here today. A very good morning to you and a warm welcome to the restarting, the relaunch of the biggest exhibition that India holds, the 40th India International Trade Fair, which is going to start from here today. In fact, the exhibition is getting bigger and bigger every year. This year would be the at least twice the size of last 2-year-old exhibition, 3 times. So the last time we were able to hold this was in 2019. Last year, obviously, because of COVID, this was deferred. But I'm delighted that as soon as COVID protocols permitted the exhibitions to start, I think the notification came on 15th of September. And within 2 months of that, ITPO has very successfully, in an expanded way, 3 times what it was in 2019, started the International Trade Fair. My congratulations to all the colleagues in ITPO and in the Ministry of Commerce and Industry, along with all the state governments and other ministries at the center in the states who have participated with so much enthusiasm to make this trade fair a grand success. In fact, I have very fond memories when I was a young person of coming to Pragati Maidan to attend the International Trade Fair, which has always been an annual feature now for 40 years, I think since 1986 probably, from 79. Oh, from 1979. It's a tremendous achievement for a trade fair to consistently attract lakhs of visitors, thousands of business persons coming into the Pragati Maidan to participate in this program. And if I may venture to suggest, on a Sunday morning at 10 o'clock, I have very rarely seen so many press photographers and press cameras. I think that is reflective of the successful relaunch of the ITPO initiative, the trade fair. And going forward, it also is reflective of the resilience of the Indian economy, the bounce back that we are seeing in almost every sphere of economic activity. Very recently, the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi inaugurated these lovely halls where we are currently doing this program. 4 brand new halls were inaugurated by the Prime Minister when he also launched the National Infrastructure Master Plan, the PM Gati Shakti. And we are delighted that so soon thereafter, we are able to now hold the exhibition in all these 4 halls, along with the old halls that are on the other side. Some of you may like to go to the first floor after the program. From there, you will be able to witness the massive work that is going on all over the Pragati Maidan complex, one of the finest convention centers and the largest in India, is coming up right across us towards my right. We have a huge set of plans for 2 more large exhibition halls to come up and a huge parking area so that all of you can drive in straight into the complex, get into the basement, and a large lawn on top of the basement for parking, where in that lawn we can have several events, particularly in the evenings, and make this whole event much more vibrant, much more enjoyable, and attract people from all across the world to come and participate in this trade fair. In fact, I was just now told that the entire participation has crossed 3,000 small and big businesses. And the good part is, women MSME entrepreneurs have been given stalls at 100% subsidy, free of charge. And the Ministry of MSME has contributed to make this possible. And we have hundreds of women entrepreneurs who are participating in this trade fair. Other women entrepreneurs, other MSMEs have also been given a 40% discount. I believe the startups have also been given a 40%.
नमस्कार, मैं हूं मानक गुप्ता। अगर आपको हमारा ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो इसे लाइक और शेयर जरूर करें और हां, हमें सब्सक्राइब और फॉलो करना ना भूलें ताकि आप देश और दुनिया की कोई खबर मिस ना करें। तो जुड़े रहिए हमारे साथ और देखते रहिए न्यूज़ 24।